Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to share your Notion calendar with other people. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Notion account and on the left panel, navigate the page containing your calendar. On the top right corner, click on the Share button. On this text box, you can add the emails of the people you want to share your calendar with. Then click Invite. Right here, you can also assign appropriate permissions to each individual you've shared the calendar with. You can choose to give them full access, allow them to edit, allow them to comment, allow them to just view, or you can also choose to remove them from your calendar. Here in the General Access tab, you can choose who can have access to your calendar, either only the people you've added or anyone with the link. And then lastly, click on Copy Link so you'll have a link you can send to people you want to share your calendar with. And that is how you can easily share your Notion calendar to other people. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.